What's new in property control? We have made some improvements to recurring maintenance activities to give you more control and better visibility from the calendar view. Now, when you edit or delete a recurring activity, you can choose whether the changes apply to just that occurrence and all future ones, or the entire series. You can also update the status of individual occurrences, like marking one as in progress, completed, or canceled, without affecting the rest of the series. And to make things even clearer, recurring activities are now marked with a recurring icon in the calendar, so they're easier to spot at a glance. Guest passes are now available for communities using embedded payments. Residents can easily purchase and share single-use guest passes for common areas like pools, gyms, and tennis courts, all in a secure and streamlined way. Previously, this feature was only available with Zego payments, but now communities across Canada and the United States can take advantage of guest passes with embedded payments. This improvement is available on iOS version 13.2 and up, and Android version 13.2.3 and up. We have enhanced the Make a Payment experience in our mobile app. For communities using embedded payments, residents can now pay using bank transfers for both one-time and recurring payments. We've also upgraded recurring payments with more flexibility to choose how often payments run. Residents can now select either monthly, every 3 months, every 6 months, or yearly, and can set a custom start date for the payment. These updates improve parity with the web app and make managing payments on the go even easier. You'll find these enhancements on iOS version 13.2 and up and Android version 13.2.3 and up. You can read more about our new features and system improvements in our release notes.